Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you something very interesting. Today's video is a sponsored video from Aeryn21 wigs. They sent me this beautiful bangs wig for a review. Guys, let's quickly unbox this wig. Inside the box I have this set of eyelashes and I love it. They also gift me this scarf that you are seeing here and it's very beautiful. I can't wait to rock it. So this is a repair oil from them, and this repair oil will help to revive your old wig and make your wigs to look beautiful and shiny. Let's quickly open it up and see what they sent. So like I told you before, this is from Aeryn21. Wow guys, can you see this? Can you just imagine? This wig is beautiful. I love the color of this wig, and I think this color is what everybody dreamed to have. I love the color and I love the fact that the wig is highlighted. This wig is just throw on and go. You don't need to stress yourself. The wig is already dyed for you. Everything is so easy. You just throw it on and brush it and go wherever you are going to. The most attracting part of this wig is the color. I'm in love with the color. You see how it fits my skin and I love it. Can you see it? I've not even done anything and it's fitting me like this. You just throw it on and go. Their wig is beautiful. Every information about this hair will be in the description box below. Guys, check it out and get one for yourself. Let's quickly review the inside of the cap. The inside of the cap stretches for those of us that have big head. You don't have issue, and it came with 3 combs, 1 at the back, 2 by the sides. This wig is lovable. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to rock it. And aside that, they also added adjustable strap in case you want to adjust it to size your head. You can do that. Let's quickly comb and apply our repair oil to the hair. Let's see how it's going to be. So guys, I will go ahead and apply the repair oil. Let's see the effects on the wig, and after that I will go ahead and coil the wig. I'm not going to do a deep coil. I will just do like a wavy coil because I will always like my hair full and bouncing. So let's see what the oil is going to do to the hair. I think the oil really changed the texture, because after applying it, touching it was like silky, and as I'm touching it I discovered that the coils is just coming out. I think the oil is working as described by the company. So you need to get this oil in order to revive your old wig. If you find it difficult to do so, reach out to me and I'll assist you. So guys, looking forward to buying a good quality hair. Think Aeryn21. Their wig is so beautiful and affordable. Guys, I will leave you to enjoy the rest of this video. Remember, all information about this wig is in the description box below. In case you desire to get one of these baby for yourself, use the link in the description to do so. So guys, enjoy the rest of this video. See you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.